everyone, thank you for stopping by. Thank you. It's still your girl Kamsi. Today I decided to unbox this magic bullet with you guys. This is magic bullet. So before now I have a blender that I use to blend some things for my baby, more especially fruits. Okay, so it was working well, but just for no reason it stopped working. It's not that it's spoiled, but it doesn't work anymore. Once you on it, you just be blinking red and orange light. So you know, one thing about this online shopping, once you get something and it's working and you confirm that it's okay, there is no going back. So I bought it was working well. I use it to blend fruits for my baby, and sometimes I can blend something like potato or whatever. So, but mostly I use it to blend fruits. It was working well, but all of a sudden it stopped. I went through the manual and they said I should do this and do that. I've done what they instructed us for us to do if this is happening to your manual but it's not coming forth. So I decided to go to the shop because I told myself shop is the only way you can have guarantee. I can't send it back because I've confirmed that it's working. There is no sending it back any longer. You can only send something back when it's not working. Immediately you get it and it's not working, you send it back. But once you confirm that it's working, there is no sending back. But the difference between buying something from a shop is that if it's not working, you can easily take it back to the place you bought it. So I said to go to the shop and get a blender, and I found this magic bullet. I found it so interesting because I have a friend that uses it and it's working so well, and it came with 2 years guarantee or warranty. So it came with 2 years guarantee. I have some things that I've read through it. They've described how it works, but why I got this more especially is because I've seen someone using it and it's too well, it's so good. Okay, so today I'll be unboxing it with you guys and show you what it contains. And there's something interesting about this. They said it's a new look. Okay, it's a new look. They said it has 200 wax motor base, stainless steel cross blade, a tall cup, a short cup, a stay fresh reusable lid, a go lid, and the user's guide. So my friend's own, the difference is that according to her, she has to cover. Why this one they're saying it has to. So let me unbox it and find out actually what is inside. So just stay tuned, let us unbox it together. So let's unbox it. So they're saying this one has 2 cups. I asked my friend, when I read that it has 2 cups, I asked my friend if her own came with 2 cups. She said no, that her own only came with 1 cup and 2 cover. That is, if you want to go out with it, you can go out with it, but it doesn't have 2 cups. But this one, they're saying that the new look comes with 2 cups. So let us see. This is the outside. Sorry, I'm talking slowly because baby is sleeping. So this is the manual. It has 2 manuals. Okay, I think one should be, yes, one should be in English language, while this one is in Chinese language. I think inside you still get other countries. So this is English language and some other countries as well, but the first page is English language. So it came with 2 manuals. Then here is the cup. So according to my friend said it came with only 1 cup and 2 cover. Why this one? They're saying that it comes with 2 cups and 2 covers. So let's be going. This is the very first cup and cover. So this is what it looks like. Okay. Then the next one. Okay, this is a carton. This is the engine. Okay, so this is the engine. Then what else we have? Okay, we have, wow, we have another cup here, a short one. Okay, with the cover. Okay, I think I saw something else. came to, okay, this is the to go or reusable cover. Okay, this is, how do I open it? Okay, look at this. Let me try on something. Okay, you can drink from here. Maybe after making your juice, you can just drink it from here. And if you don't feel like drinking immediately, you can cover it with this and keep in your fridge. I think this is nice. Is there any other thing inside? Oh, another manual. 2 extra manuals. This should be instruction if I'm not mistaken. This is a quick guide. Yeah. Why? This one is a quick guide for magic bullets, and I'm seeing nutri bullet. Maybe it's the same thing. Maybe it's the same name or different company. I don't know if it is the same. Might be the same company. So officially, what this thing has is this engine. This is the engine. Okay, it came with this. I think the way to go about it is to cover it. After covering it, you place it here and lock it. Okay, you have to lock it. If it's not locked, it can't function. Or yeah, okay, 2 ways. You can place it like this and it will work, or you close it entirely. Okay, then after you must have finished blending, which I will make a video of me using it and show you guys. Let me see if this cover can equally cover this. Wow, it can equally cover this perfectly. So you can blend something, maybe take some and leave some inside of here, or you can equally, maybe after blending your fruits, you can cover with this and drink directly from here, like, okay, this is nice. You can carry this like this. I was thinking you can carry this like this, but this is just a cover from the mouth where you can drink it from. Okay, then for the short cup, you can equally use this to blend. Just place it inside. This is it. Okay, now here they have a maximum. This one is only for when you are blending something small, because if you see, here is the maximum of something you can blend. Remember, you are turning it upside down, so whatever thing you are blending, this should be the maximum. That is the highest of what you can pour in. It should be here. Why for this one, this is the maximum. So if you place something, you cover and turn it around. The same thing goes with this one. Once you place, this is the max, you turn it around and blend. Why this one, you pour in, once it's here, you cover and turn it and blend. So that is that for the review of this. If you ask me how it works, like I said, I know someone that uses this machine. That is why I even went ahead to buy it. So this is a nice machine. It will work so well. It's not something I just used or I heard that she's using it. The day I went to have, I've gone to her house so many times, and I used it to make food for my baby and her baby. We use it to blend different things, and it works so well. And how much did I buy it? It's less than 40 euro. Okay, so it's economical per se. I don't know if there's any other one that is cheaper than this one, but this is economical and it will work so well. So if you're looking for a blender to get, take it from me to you, that this is a nice one. For me to buy it after using it in someone's house and I said to buy it, that means it's working so well. This is not a sponsored video. I'm telling people what I know and what I've gotten for myself. Okay, so thank you for watching. Like I said, it came with 2 years warranty. If it's not working, if it stops working, if anything should happen to it in less than 2 years, I'm taking it back to the shop. And remember, when you get something from the shop, so many people, like my friends, people made this mistake. They always throw away the receipts. When you get something from the shop, more especially things like any electrical appliances, please keep the receipt so well, so that if it's not working, you can return it easily. For this one now, in the next 2 years, or from now till 2 years time, even if it's when a month for the 2 years to elapse and this thing stops working, definitely I'm taking it to them and they'll give me a new one. It has happened to one of my blender, the bigger one. It stopped working. I took it to them. They were like, okay, it's the engine, and they changed it. They gave me another one without any problem, without any skin pen. Okay, so this one came with a warranty. I pray it continues working because the engine is standard. It is okay, it works for so well, but in case anything happens, I'll definitely return it. Unlike the other one I bought online, it stopped working and I can't take it back, because online you cannot return what you've started using. You can only return it, like I said, when maybe when they bring it to you and you test it and it's not working. That is the only time you can take it back. But once you confirm that it's working, you've confirmed that you received it, my dear, forget about it. That is why they always tell you have 15 days. Some people will tell you have 21 days. But for shops, you have like 1 year, 2 years, some 5 years. So this is me. I have a new blender that can easily blend things for my daughter. Since that one stopped working, I've been blending some things for her, but it's not like, you know, when you blend something with, I have this one that they used to blend with her, but it's not as smooth as when you blend with a machine. Okay, so I'm happy I have this now. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you know someone that wants to get a machine or an engine that blends things, a blender, please send this video to them. Let them buy this one or buy any other one, or go to the shop rather and buy. They should go to the shop, not specifically it must be this. It can be any other one, but I prefer going to the shop where you have warranty or guarantee for some years, so that your money will not just buy like that. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm not saying that shopping online is not good, though. It's good, but when it comes to electrical appliances, for me, I will advise you not to shop online. Go to the shop. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Bye. Okay, this was me trying to use this blender for the very first time. I had to loosen the wire because it was a bit how will I say it, coiled, because of how they tied it. So I'm trying to blend the fluid and then I just finished putting it this blender is so it has not an horrific long time because I wanted to so clean, but believe me, in 2 seconds it was so ready. And I was so happy with it because, like I said, my friend uses this blender. I wasn't so much surprised because I've seen where someone is using it before. And later on, when I poured out this the fruit that I blended, look at, so milky, so smooth. There was nothing like a chaff or whatever remaining. There was no remnant in it. It blended it so well. So I recommend you to buy this. If you're looking for a blender, you can buy for blending fruits or some light vegetables. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.